Hello friends, Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about one of the very interesting subject in astrology. One of the interesting conjunction in astrology. The conjunction name is Mars and Venus conjunction. Mars and Venus conjunction play a very big role in lots of parts in life. I will start from every ascendance. Like, let's start for the Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, being a lord of Mars, being a lord of your first house, and Venus being a lord of your seventh house, if it's in conjunction in first house, seventh house, 11th house, fifth house, a person will have lot of extramarital affairs. They may get married early before 22, but before marriage and after marriage they will involve in extramarital affairs which will irritating a lot. Like, if Mars and Venus conjunction together, this is not a good conjunction for happy marriage life, because a native will become manglik from Venus. There is a three type of manglik. One manglik is from ascendance, second manglik is from moon sign, third manglik is from Venus. So when Mars and Venus conjunction in Aries ascendants, like in first house, seventh house, 11th house, fifth house, ninth house, or 12th house, a native will always get in touch with other women, and his or her character is not very good, and they feel player to making, you can say, sexual life with other women or other men, because Mars and Venus combination is not very promising in the terms of personal life, because native is become manglik from Venus. So if Mars and Venus aspecting each other, like Mars is in first house, Venus is in seventh house, they both aspecting each other from seventh aspect, then native will definitely get in touch with other women or other men, and her or his personal life will be affected due to this conjunction. So guys, if you have this conjunction, you need to be careful. Don't cheat your life partner, and try to be in a polite and good relationship. Must consult your nearest astrologer, because Mars and Venus create lot of issue in your marital life. If you are married and you have an extramarital affair, then your relationship with your wife is not very promising, and your wife is not happy from your side, because your focus is always on other woman, not on your wife. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants being a lord of first house Venus, and being a lord of seventh house Mars, if they are conjunction in first house, seventh house, fifth house, 11th house, or ninth house, or they aspecting each other from first or seventh, 11th or fifth, a native will definitely have lot of extramarital affairs. They never satisfy from the husband in the terms of mentally, physically, in the terms of sexually. They are always found sex from outer side, because Mars and Venus conjunction is not very good in astrology in the terms of personal satisfaction. And in Taurus ascendants, Venus is dominating. What is Venus? Venus is luxury. Venus is sexual pleasure. Venus is, you can say, your lifestyle. Venus is also linked with your desires, sexual desires. So those native who have a Venus or Mars conjunction in Taurus ascendants, they need to be careful. Don't go in extramarital affair, otherwise your marriage life will be affected, and there is a strong chances to get divorce in marriage life, because you are manglik from Venus. You need to check which type of Mars placement in every birth chart. If Mars and Venus in conjunction, like for Gemini, Taurus, Libra, Aquarius, and native become manglik from the Venus. Venus play a big role in your marriage life. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. For Gemini ascendants, if Mars and Venus conjunction in your birth chart, you will earn a lot of money in your life. You will get a lot of business partnerships, but that business partnership are opposite gender. Even women get attracted from you very easily, because Venus is also a great friend of your ascendant's lord, which is Mercury. So if Mars and Venus conjunction in your first house, in your seventh house, in your 11th house, in your fifth house, you will definitely get in touch with other women. And your business, if you are a businessman, so your business partner will be a woman, and she will give you a lot of support in the terms of money. She will give a lot of support in the terms of your personal life, but your focus on your wife will be up and down, and your focus on extra marital affair and your focus on your girlfriend will be very high level. So you need to be careful, always be honest with your wife, and if you have this type of conjunction Mars and Venus, you must consult nearest astrologer. He will guide you what is the remedy you need to perform to reduce the effect of the Mars and Venus. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants, for you, Venus and Mars conjunction, if first house, Mars is debilitated, again Venus dominating the Mars, and Mars and Venus is in 5th house, 11th house, your 4th house, your 7th house, you will definitely get in touch with extramarital affair before marriage and after marriage. You never satisfy. You are always thinking a lot about other men if you are woman, and if you are man, you are always thinking about other women, and even you may go for the prostitute because your intentions are not good. You never happy from your marriage life. You never happy from your relationship from your wife side. If this conjunction happening in your 7th house, whereas Mars is exalted and Venus is in Capricorn sign, you will definitely get 2 or 3 marriages. So now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. For Leo ascendants, if Mars and Venus conjunction in your first house, there's a Venus is damaged and Mars dominate the Venus. In the 7th house, in 5th house or 11th house, there is a strong chances for multiple affairs, and girls will start any business with you, and you will get promoted through ladies if you are working, and your work will be sky high if your business partner is opposite gender. Like if you are man and you have your own business and your business partner is a woman, you will rise a lot. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. For Virgo ascendants, Venus is dominating here on Mars. So Mars and Venus conjunction in your first house, 7th house, 5th house, 3rd house and 11th house will create lot of affairs. You never satisfy from your wife. You never satisfy mentally or physically from your marriage life. So this conjunction will create lot of problem in your marital life. There is a strong chances to more than 2 marriages, and there is strong chances husband and wife, they live separate from each other. Like wife is in India and husband is in Singapore or America for job purpose, and they involve in other women there, because in Virgo ascendants, Mars and Venus conjunction is not very promising in the terms of physical relationship, in the terms of mental peace from life partner. So you need to know which type of placement of Mars and Venus in which nakshatra they placed in your birth chart. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants. Being a lord of your first house, Venus is dominating Mars in this horoscope. And being a lord of your 7th house, being a lord of your 7th house, Mars and Venus conjunction create a very good partnership in your business, and you may start any new business, and your daily income will be rise. You will be grow a lot. Finances will be excellent. Your savings will be excellent. You will earn a lot of money, name, fame, prosperity. But other women will involve in your life a lot. You are very easily get attract from the other women. Being a lord of your first house, Venus, and being a lord of your 7th house, Mars is in your 7th house, or Venus is in your 7th house, or they may aspect each other, 7th aspect each other. There is some stomach related trouble are also in this conjunction, and BP related trouble are also seen in this conjunction, and relationship with other women or other men will always create problem in your personal life. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpios, and as being a lord of your first house, and being a lord of your Mars being a lord of your first house and 6th house, Venus being a lord of your 7th and 12th house. If they are in conjunction, your character is totally you can say bad character. You are a zero character. Your health will be affected badly. You have some blood affections in the in old age after 45 or after 50. But women may easily get attract from your personality, or you may get attract easily from the woman side if Mars and Venus is in your first house or 7th house or 5th house or 11th house. I saw a lot of birth chart. I have a lot of practice of astrology. I saw if Mars and Venus conjunction together in Scorpio ascendants, there is a strong chances to more than 2 or 3 marriages in birth chart. So if Rahu aspect on Mars and Venus conjunction, or Rahu is in conjunction, then there is a strong chances for 3 marriages in birth chart. And your life partner must be from foreign land, or you may settle in foreign land through marriage, and after marriage you give divorce to your wife and you are interested to settle a second marriage. This type of combinations I seen in Scorpio ascendants if Mars Venus conjunction and Rahu is in conjunction. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Sagittarius ascendants, Mars and Venus is in conjunction if is in your 7th house, in your 11th house, in your 10th house. There is a strong chances you may involve in other relationships in life, and that type of relationship is always try to cheat you, because your ascendance is very strong. You have a Jupiter ascendance, and those native are never those native are very early try to trust on others. This is the main problem in Sagittarius, because they are very God-fearing, and girls or mans are cheating Scorpio ascendants very easily, because Scorpio ascendants showing a trust very easy to everyone. So guys, you don't try to be in this type of relationship which is spoil your life or your life partner's life. And relationship with spouse is not very promising. You may have a good friends with opposite gender, but your relationship is not very promising outside of your family. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Capricorn ascendants is never satisfied if Mars and Venus is in conjunction your 1st house, 7th house, 3rd house, 2nd house, your 5th house, your 11th house, or 12th house. They are never satisfied from our husband or wife. There is a strong chances for relationship between husband and wife will be affected, and you may get involved in other man or other women, and there is a strong chances to more than 2 marriages if Rahu is also aspecting on this conjunction. Mars and Venus conjunction create a very good businessman. You will earn bundles of money. Your fortune started smile for you. And foreign settlement is very good if Mars and Venus conjunction in 12th house or 7th house. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. If you have Aquarius ascendants, Mars and Venus, here is a Venus is dominating on Mars. So there's a lot of affairs. People are very much, you can say, lusty type of nature, because Mars and Venus conjunction in Aquarius ascendants, a native is very lusty and very always find a maintain a relationship with other women except our wife. So Aquarius ascendants, don't do like this. Don't spoil your life or your life partner spoil. Give your 100% best on your relationship. It will help you a lot to maintain a good relationship with your wife. Otherwise, lot of girls or lot of men will come in your life in the terms of extramarital affairs, but your satisfaction are never full in the terms of relationship. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. If Mars and Venus conjunction is in your 1st house, 7th house, and your 11th house, 5th house, 3rd house, 2nd house, you will surely get in touch with other women or other men after marriage or before marriage. You never satisfy from your husband side. You never satisfy. You may have lot of money. You may have luxury life from your husband side, but emotionally satisfaction you will always get from outer side. So guys, you need to know which type of Mars Venus conjunction in your birth chart. Is this conjunction affected on your personal life? If you have that type of conjunction in your birth chart, you must consult your nearest astrologer. He will guide you. He will advise you best remedies, which type of remedies you need to perform to improve your marriage life. Don't go on the here and there. Concentrate on your spouse, concentrate on your marriage life. It will help you a lot, because good fortune started for you if you are always trustworthy and honest from your wife or your husband. So know more about Mars Venus conjunction, visit my website www.akastrology.com, and must subscribe my channel if you like my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.